Good evening, students. This video I have made to let you know how to uh, set the display pic in Zoom with a specific background. We are preparing for Republic Day, so we will have a common background on that day, and on that background, we will paste our photo. So the final outcome, if I say it should be like this. You can see here this background I will give it to you and you have to paste your picture over here. So how to do it, that I will tell you now. So for doing it, you should have a background that I will give and your photograph. So you can open this website remove.bg. In this, first you have to upload your photograph. You have to upload your photograph over here. So I have my one photograph. This is a very good website to remove the background. So this removed my background. Now I want the background related with Republic Day. So I will give that background to you. So you can click here edit and you can get this. You can click on upload background and just paste the just open the desired background. So this background will be given by me. So you can see my photo along with the background. So you have to just download it. You can click on download image. It will be downloaded. So if I see this photo, see this photo is ready with the background. And I think student you are well aware how to change your display pic. So use the common background only student for Republic Day. And as a rehearsal, you can set it today only so that tomorrow we can see that everyone have set the background. Okay, thank you student.